Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful like pink kind of look. This is perfect for Valentine's Day, and we're using the Maybelline matte bar to achieve this look. As always, we're going to start by priming our eyelids, and we're going to be picking up the beautiful pink shade in the eyeshadow palette, and we are going to windshield wiper that in our crease. We're using this as a transition color. It's very beautiful. I'm just going to take my time, build that up, and keep applying the shades. And all the shades in this palette are pigmented. They are so nice. They blend together so nicely. Very beautiful eyeshadow palette. And we're just going to keep working that in the crease. Next up is that hot pink in the eyeshadow palette, and I am going to start by applying that in my outer corner, and then I'm going to start bringing that into the crease. And once again, we are going to build that up. Continue to build that up. And it is a little messy, but we're going to blend it out. I'll just take your transition crease brush and blend those two shades together. And as you can tell, they blend together very easily. We're going to be taking the lightest shade in the palette and using that as our brown highlight. The shadows are a little bit powdery, but despite the powderiness, you don't get a ton of fallout. So next up, we're going to be using this Amuse matte concealer, and I'm applying it to the lid to create my cut crease, and I'm taking a small brush to blend it out. Kind of doing it messily because we're going to put something on top of it. So taking Milani's Hypnotic lights, the description box will have what number it is, and I'm applying that all over the lid. I'm going to blend it out, and I will be honest, like, this one's very beautiful, but it's sheer, and I should have applied it on top of an eyeshadow. And throughout the day, this is the only one that has kind of slightly creased. Not that it didn't set, but it's like just kind of set and dried down into a like eye crease. So don't blink when you apply this one. So we're just gonna go and blend the eyeshadow with that EyeTopper on the outer corner, and we're going to crisp up our crease line just a bit. And we're going to tightline the upper rim with Milani's Stay Put eyeliner, and we're going to take Jordana's Continious Almond eyeshadow pencil and apply that in the waterline. We're going to be applying that beautiful hot pink to our lower lash line. This is such a beautiful look. Very, very appropriate for Valentine's Day. So from AOA Studio, I'm taking their liquid eyeliner and doing a very thin strip across the upper lash line. And we're going to be using the Covergirl Supersizer Mascara, a couple coats of that. And basically the eyes are finally done. Very easy look, really. And it looks like, you know, you took a lot of time on it and stuff. And for lips, we're using the LaColors Pout Lipgloss Matte in Sweet Lips. Very beautiful lip shade as well. And it's very hot pink. Use anything you want. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Maybelline matte bar tutorial. Look out for more matte bar tutorials. Don't forget to check the description box for a product list. Stay tuned for more videos. And thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching.